To install WordPress locally, first you need to download 2 files. Both links are in the description. First one is the control panel. Just click the download button and it should start. The second one is WordPress main files from wordpress.org official website. Once they are done, extract the WordPress zip file. I use 7-zip, but you can use the default Windows tool. Just right-click on it and choose Unzip here. When it's done, give it the name of the website you want. After that, install Xampp control panel. I have it already installed, so I will cancel the installation. Now a new folder named Xampp is created in your C drive. Open it and first look for the control panel.exe. Right-click, go to Compatibility tab and make sure you check Run as Administrator. Doing this will prevent the control panel from crashing when closing it. Copy the WordPress files inside the htdocs folder. Open the control panel from the search menu. It might look complicated at first, but all you need are the first 2 tools. You have to start both Apache and MySQL. Click on Admin for MySQL. We are going to set up a database. Click New and leave it blank for the moment. Now to access your website, in the address bar type localhost / the name of the website. Start setting up your site. The database name must be the exact same in MySQL. Username is root and leave the password blank. Now we are nearly finished. All you need is to fill in your website details. I should note that this is stored locally, so no one can access it remotely. You can use any email, username, and password just to fill in the blanks. And now we are done. Just log in, and there you have it. WordPress is now installed on your PC. I should mention that you have to keep Xampp control panel on to access it. I'm your host, Daniel, and I see you in the next one.